Eli, what are we getting on this match?
100.
Theo, how are we doing this match?
100. Goofy, I'll go for it. Woo! Are you actually like?
We are ready to randomize the obelisk.
You want me to do it, Preston?
Yeah.
No touching until it's time.
It is green, purple, purple this time.
Aww.
In 3, 2, 1. Rod. Deep shots from Run Kano.
Our power's off.
No make so far. 2 robots on the move.
Good.
Switch it up, press it.
Why do I have to switch it up?
Switch it up.
Drivers, pick up your controllers. 3, 2, 1.
Shoot far, one for. Lower.
There we go, Red Alliance. There's 2 in for the Red Alliance.
Let them in. Don't touch that lever. Bang.
Swish.
Go. Load. It doesn't matter. Go.
Bang.
Swish.
Grab from that. Grab on our red goal. On our red goal, there's a bunch.
Try to.
Grab right on our red goal. There's a bunch.
Blue Alliance lining up for a shot here.
Drive into it. Don't be hesitant. Just
A
drive
little long. Adjusting. Oh, and a misfire.
push him out of the way. Doesn't matter.
Yeah, push them up again. I'm good at that.
Fire.
Got a lot of practice on that.
Lower power. You guys got to be more in sync. Come on. Shoot these last 2 and then go park.
Red Alliance taking some final shots.
Fire.
Okay, whatever.
Good.
And finding the base.
Nice. Okay, controllers.
That's time. Nice driving, teams.